Hello, amazing parents. Today we are going to tackle a question that so many new parents face. How do you wake up a sleepy baby for feeding without causing stress for both you and your little one? I know it can feel overwhelming, especially when your baby seems so peaceful and content in their sleep. But trust me, you are not alone in this journey. In this video, I will share 5 gentle, pediatrician-approved methods to help your baby wake up for feeding. These tips are safe, easy to follow, and designed to keep your baby healthy, happy, and well-fed. So, let us dive right in and explore these strategies together. Before we get into the tips, let us take a moment to understand why waking your baby for feeding is so important. Newborns, especially during the first few weeks of life, need to eat frequently, typically every 2 to 3 hours. This is because their tiny stomachs can only hold small amounts of milk at a time, and they need constant nourishment to grow and thrive. For babies who were born premature, have jaundice, or are underweight, regular feeding is even more critical. It helps prevent dehydration, supports healthy weight gain, and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Skipping feeds can lead to serious health issues, so it is essential to ensure your baby is eating enough. But do not worry. Waking your baby does not have to be a stressful experience. With the right approach, you can make it a calm and positive part of your routine. Tip number 1. Create a calm and soothing environment. Bright lights and loud noises can overwhelm a sleepy baby, making it harder for them to wake up fully. Instead, try dimming the lights in the room and speaking in soft, gentle tones. This helps create a peaceful atmosphere that encourages your baby to transition slowly from sleep to being awake. Another helpful step is to unwrap your baby from their swaddle or blanket. Allowing them to move their arms and legs freely can help them wake up naturally. Think of it as gently guiding them into feeding time rather than startling them awake. This approach is especially helpful for babies who are deep sleepers or who tend to get fussy when woken abruptly. Tip number 2. Use the power of skin-to-skin contact. Your baby loves feeling your warmth and hearing your heartbeat. This closeness is not only comforting, but also incredibly effective for waking them up. Place your baby against your bare chest, making sure their head is well supported. This position, often called kangaroo care, has numerous benefits. It helps regulate your baby's body temperature, encourages bonding, and can even stimulate their natural feeding instincts. The scent of your skin and milk might also trigger their hunger reflex, making them more eager to feed. If your baby is particularly sleepy, try talking softly to them or humming a gentle tune while holding them close. This combination of warmth, sound, and scent can work wonders in helping them wake up. Tip number 3. Try the mid-feed burping trick. If your baby starts dozing off during a feeding session, gently pause and burp them. Hold your baby upright against your shoulder and pat their back softly. The change in position and gentle motion can help rouse them enough to finish their meal. Burping also helps release any trapped air in their stomach, which can make them feel more comfortable and ready to continue feeding. For an extra boost, lightly wipe their forehead or hands with a lukewarm cloth before burping. This subtle sensation can help them stay alert without causing discomfort. Remember to always use a cloth that is comfortably warm, never cold, as extreme temperatures can startle your baby. Tip number 4. Use gentle touch to encourage alertness. Lightly massage your baby's feet, back, or cheeks with slow circular motions. This type of touch is calming yet stimulating, helping your baby wake up without feeling overwhelmed. Avoid tickling, as this can startle them and make them upset. Instead, focus on calm, steady touches that mimic the soothing strokes they feel during cuddle time. You can also try gently stroking their hands or feet, as these areas are sensitive and can help stimulate their senses. The goal is to provide just enough sensory input to wake them up without overstimulating them. Tip number 5. The cool cloth method. Dampen a soft washcloth with lukewarm water, never cold, and gently wipe your baby's forehead, hands, or the back of their neck. The slight change in temperature provides a mild sensory nudge that can help them wake up naturally. Always test the temperature of the cloth on your own skin first to ensure it is comfortable. This method is particularly useful for babies who are very deep sleepers or who need a little extra help staying awake during feeding. It is a simple, yet effective, way to gently encourage alertness without causing any distress. Now let us talk about when it is okay to let your baby sleep. While regular feeding is important, there are times when it is perfectly fine to let your baby rest. If your pediatrician has confirmed that your baby is gaining weight well and has no health concerns, you can allow longer stretches of sleep, especially at night. As your baby grows, their stomach capacity will increase, and they will be able to go longer between feeds. However, if your baby shows signs of lethargy, has fewer than 6 wet diapers a day, or refuses multiple feeds in a row, it is important to contact your doctor immediately. These could be signs of an underlying issue that needs attention. Always. Trust your instincts as a parent. You know your baby best. Remember, every baby is different. What works for one baby might not work for another, and that is completely normal. It might take a few tries to figure out which method works best for your little one. Stay patient and keep experimenting. You are doing an amazing job even on the days when it feels challenging. Parenting is a learning process, and it is okay to ask for help or seek advice when you need it. Share your experiences in the comments below. Which tip helped you the most? Let us support each other through this journey and celebrate the small victories along the way. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical parenting tips and baby care advice. We are here to help you navigate the joys and challenges of parenthood with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching, and take good care of yourself and your little one. This phase will not last forever, and you are doing an incredible job. You have got this.